Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to open the watch battery cage on your Casio Illuminator watch. Today's model is going to be the AW80, but this tutorial is going to work for other Casio watch models out there, including Casio G-Shock watches. So what I want to do is to insert one tip of the metallic pair of tweezers right here, and then I'm going to push it upwards and the watch battery cage is going to be released. I'm also going to show you exactly what you need to do. So what I want to do is to make sure that I insert my tip right here, just like that, and then I'm going to push this part towards the side in order to open it up, and then in order to close it I'm going to push it back in. I'm going to show you once again. So insert one tip or even both in case you have a very tiny tip at your pair of tweezers. It is going to release. I'm going to replace the watch battery, close it here or even feel that click, and voila, that is how you open and close the watch battery cage on your Casio Illuminator watch. In case you want to watch the full guide from start to finish on how to replace the watch battery, how to do the AC reset, how to grease your gasket, and also how to put the bracelet back together, I'm going to have a full guide, link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. And also, if you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.